F the U and the N in a front.
Jet on flight EZY833.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
If you ain't slaying, it's a video. Hey guys, welcome to
Guess where we are? Guess if you are good.
Then over there to
Look at my teeth. Look.
blinging.
Come near and look at my teeth.
Blingers, you know, like, blingers. So yeah, we're going to Jamaica.
You're taking me to Jamaica. Look at my blings.
Come and do a full. I don't like my hair, Miss Jules.
Eh? You look sweet.
Mom wants to go and examine the airport. It's metal, look. We better get back to our bags before they think it's unattended. We've left our bags, so I'm gonna go back to our bags before they think, oh, that bag looks a bit suspicious, it's a bit unattended. So I would listen, look at when we travel, we don't travel live. Yeah? Put it back there, hold on. So one suitcase, one dulcimina, one hand luggage, one handbag, one suitcase, one hand luggage, one dulcimina, one handbag. Let me tell you. Oh, killer! Where is it? See, we big. Look, Monte-go Bay. I don't know what this is. This must be some montage thing in Gatwick. Yeah, it's got like all the. Is it all the airports? All the airports. And Monte-go Bay is right there. So this is Gatwick. Yes, and she said muggle. Could they? She bust a new style. What's that? Flowers? Yeah. Cut up. Yeah. Oh,
yes, we're just waiting for someone.
You can't leave them alone.
Oh, okay.
You stay with them.
All right.
The airport, so you can't leave the bag alone.
Okay. Could be a bit nicer, you know, Miss Emirates.
I don't do that.
This is meant to be a choker. I don't know what it's turned out to be, but as you can see, look at this. It looks like a little fluff ball upon my chest. One little fluff ball. One little fluff ball.
This is the producer.
Tanisha with the dulce. Oh, the dulce mina. No, sir. LOL. Paula, they wrapped you real good, boy. Jesus. Paula. Yeah. Really? Vlogger, say hello, my Jules.
Hi, my Jules. Oh, Jules. In between,
I did.
But turn up. Wait for it, it's coming.
For £5, you want to get sausage?
Custom is travelling with EasyJet on flight EZY8335.
The Mary girls
Traveling together is because of
in the Jamie Oliver
we're traveling
restaurant.
to sit next to each other, comfort each other.
We're comforting on the big jumbo jets.
Yes, we do. So get my hair. Don't know me. You love my drinking my hair. And me put the T and the A and the R and the T and the Y in a party. And me put the F, the U and the F in a front. We don't want the thing to swell down. We don't want the thing to fit with your phone. My first order a while ago. What looks what I am. We follow got take her enough self and follow me and she drink the pot and coke and she knock the
Turn down for what? Oh my
feel like it's a corner there, corner comfy, come on, before I run them there. Sharon!
Share. The belly look good. She looks well fed in it. Oh, it's Paulette. This is my baby. To say it, that's my cousin Paulette. So are you doing a better job than I am?
Huh?
Are you doing a better job than I am?
And this is the lovers. Soon to be newlyweds.
But no, you know, come with your worry.
Who is here for eating? Tell them.
Paul and Jabari.
And Tashay too.
No, Tashay they won't. Tashay, Miss Mom here is a put us in it.
Ready to feature?
Me not put Paul in to go sit in them.
Oh, no, what about going to sit them?
No, this no.
That's what I'm out for everyone.
No. Well, you can't crack me up. Yeah, look for seeing you.
No, because I want to eat it. If I want to yes,
No, such stuff like that too much.
Look at my Indian baby.
I feel it deep in my soul and I know that. I know.
Yes, just wait till there's a person on the wall.
Yes, sir? That's nice, don't.
Tell me.